Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what might just be the best exact crayon sharpener on the market, the Westcott plastic manual pencil and crayon sharpener. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or just someone who loves to keep their coloring tools in perfect shape, this sharpener is designed to make your life easier and your crayons sharper. The Westcott sharpener comes with a dual head design, meaning it's versatile enough to handle both standard-sized pencils and larger crayons or wood pencils. This feature makes it incredibly practical for homes, classrooms, and offices where different sizes of coloring tools are commonly used. No need for multiple sharpeners when you have this all-in-one solution. One of the most thoughtful aspects of this sharpener is its manual operation paired with a protective plastic top and shaving box. This design keeps the blades safe when not in use and prevents accidental messes from pencil shavings. The transparent shaving reservoir is a real game changer. It lets you see when it's full, so you know exactly when to empty it, keeping your workspace clean and tidy. It also helps to protect your fingers from the sharp blades, adding an extra layer of safety, especially important for kids. Durability is another key highlight. The sharpener features stainless steel blades that are built to last. These blades provide a sharp and smooth cut every time, making the sharpening process quick and efficient. You won't find yourself struggling to get a fine point on your crayons or pencils, which can often be frustrating with lesser quality sharpeners. The compact size of the Westcott sharpener makes it easy to carry in pencil cases, backpacks, or desks without taking up much space. It's lightweight but sturdy enough to withstand daily use, which is perfect for both kids and adults. Plus, the assorted colors add a fun touch that makes it appealing to younger users without sacrificing functionality. What really sets this sharpener apart is its multi-purpose use. Beyond just crayons and pencils, it can sharpen lip pencils and other similar items, giving it a versatility that's hard to beat. So, if you want a sharpener that can do more than just one job, this one has you covered. In summary, the Westcott plastic manual pencil and crayon sharpener is a simple yet highly effective tool. Its dual head design, safety features, durable blades, and compact size make it a standout choice for anyone needing precise sharpening for crayons and pencils. It's the perfect balance of quality, practicality, and value, making it an essential item for classrooms, offices, or home use. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a dependable, mess-free, and versatile sharpener, the Westcott is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews.